Look at that goodness. Wow. Good job, Papa. Smells fantastic. Mongolian beef. Papa Texas style. Yeah. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. And on today's episode, we're making Mongolian beef. Papa Texas style. I'm going to tell you one thing about this cook. There's only one thing that makes it difficult. And that's filming. So y'all watch this video and y'all will enjoy this cook. This is Mongolian beef, Papa Texas style. It's really good. It goes fast. When you're filming, it takes longer. It just does, y'all. Anyway, you should appreciate it. Check it out. Give me a thumbs up for all my hard work at the end. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. And today is Mongolian beef, Papa Texas style. Let's take a gander over here. Doot, doot. Alright, there's the majority of the ingredients. There's the ingredients except for the meat. And we're going with Nolan Ryan's beef tenderloin, okay? They only had 2 packages there. You know, and then we've got, let's zoom in on that. Okay. I'll go through everything with you, and I'll leave it down below so that you can see what you need. I took these 2 packages and I put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. I just kind of hardens them up just a smidgen to make it easier to slice. And you do thin slices against the grain, and then it just falls apart in your mouth. Alright, so my grain's running this away, and so then you just come in here and thin slice it. Just going to take them and thin slice them like that. So now I got the meat in a bowl. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the first of 3 different sets of sauces. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. Half a teaspoon of salt. Now there's going to be salt in other items, so you got to be really careful with that salt. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Half a teaspoon baking soda. 1 tablespoon of oil. Now at this point you just want to mix it up real good. Get it all blended. Because while we do the others, this gets to sit and kind of do its thing. Alright, now I'm going to slice up the 2 onions and the 3 bell peppers. Usually I use 2 bell peppers. I'm using this for the color. I like the presentation of the color, so I will not use these completely. Alright, so we got the veggies all cut up. That's what she's looking like. Alright, and the veggies, we're going to go with 1 teaspoon. I should be using sesame oil, and I can't find it. I know it's here somewhere in the house. So I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Come on, baby. Woo! And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And now what we do is we just mix this one up. Get it all blended in there really good. Boy, I just opened up all the things I'm fixed to use, and I've got a smell coming on, man. This here is the black bean garlic sauce. So what you got these black beans in there. They're kind of chomped up a little bit. I'll chop them up a little bit more. We're going to get that in there. Whoo-wee! And go with 1.5 tablespoons. A lot of times when I do this, I don't put enough of this stuff because this stuff is good. About 1.5 right there. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1/4 cup black sugar. Fourth a cup of black ground pepper. Now, if you see this, it's kind of gooky. We need to liquefy it for when we add it to the mix. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of water for dilution. Word of the day, dilution. And if you see here, let's get it to where you can see it, y'all. Anyway, I'll mix it around, liquefy. That's good enough on that. I think we're in good shape, folks. Alright, so as we're heating the wok up, we'll put about 3 tablespoons or more of oil in there and let it heat up. Alright, I think we got it up to temp. Let's get the meat on. Get it moved around. Make sure it all gets some oil on it. You can do this on just a regular pan in the kitchen you cook inside. Woks are fun though. Alright, we want to get that browned up. Put it around every once in a while, flip it. Alright, at this point, I'm going to bring the meat off for a minute. Putting it in a colander. At this point, I'm just going to add a little bit of cheddar garlic to it. Stir it up. You can also add some ginger. Throw your vegetables in there. Same thing as the beef. Spread it out. Man, it smells so good. We're going to add the black bean sauce that we created. We'll stir that up. And let that sit for a minute. Alright, at this point we're going to add the meat back in. Get it blended in. Oh yeah, good mixture right there. As I said, I'll leave the recipe to this down below. I'm trying to work on where y'all can print them out, but I'm not there yet. We'll drain it, but right now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of water, a teaspoon of cornstarch. Get all that incorporated. Alright, let me get it plated up and I'll meet you over in my normal place. Look at that goodness. Wow. Good job, Papa. It smells fantastic. Alright. Check it out. Let's do this. Let's get a little bit of rice, a little bell pepper, some of that Mongolian beef. Spot on. I don't know how they make Mongolian beef at the Asian stores, but restaurants. This here, making it at home, might cost a family of 4 $30 bucks. Something like that. This is really good. I'm impressed. I'll be patting myself on the back if my hands weren't full. More rice. That black bean garlic sauce. Really good. Once you add all that other seasonings to it that I did, pretty awesome. It deserves a hit that bell, subscribe for more cooks and other things of Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We will see you on the next episode. See you. God bless. Take care. Yeah. Guarantee you it's GG approved. He's in there eating right now. See you.